Thank you. This next song came out in an EP, an extended play release. Uso yun noon when, actually ngayon pa rin, pero dati kasi we were asked to record a radio-friendly song after the Fruitcake album na hindi masyadong kumita. And we were asked by the record company to write a radio-friendly song. So this was our attempt to write another radio-friendly song. This one's called Harana.